Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. This is docLUXURY. Oh my gosh, I am so tired right now, but this is my last video that I will be filming tonight. It is already past midnight and I do not know how many videos I did film. But for this video, I have... Oh my gosh, okay, so I have an unboxing, and this... I have not done an unboxing from this company in a while, but that's because I haven't purchased anything from this company in a while, primarily because I just was not able to. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Before I show you what I got in that box, I wanted to show you guys another item that I recently got. And let me just show you, I'll reveal it. So it is from Supreme, and I've already unboxed this, as you guys can see. But I did not film an unboxing for this particular item. But it is a backpack which matches my bum bag or my fanny pack. And I don't know if I will be keeping this or, you know, trying to sell it, but yeah, I do have the backpack now, and I still do have the duffel bags. I have the small one and the large one because I just haven't been doing a good job with selling stuff. But yeah, if you're interested in those, please let me know. So sometimes on you know, the Supreme website, when new drops happen, so drops happen every week on Thursdays at 11 a.m. Eastern time. They sometimes do restocks, and I purchased that backpack when they did have a restock. Now, I did try to buy a different color in this bag, because they did have these bags on restock as well, but they did not allow me to, because I've already purchased this one. And with Supreme, you are only limited to one item. It doesn't matter what color it is, but you're only limited to one item, and that's it. So if you wanted to buy a lot more, you can't. And if they do come in different sizes, like I do have the duffel bags, I'm too lazy to try and go get them right now. But you can get, you know, a small one and a large one, but you just can't get two small ones in two different colors, so to say. So let me go ahead and, where did my knife go? Here it is. Alright, so I have my knife, and let me, kind of heavy, so I want to make sure. Okay, so the front side there is no address, so I will just basically cut it open. I'll be very careful because I think it's not packaged with a bag, but let me go ahead and open the top. So like I said previously, I have not been doing unboxings of Supreme lately, just because I haven't been able to buy anything. I have tried to, you know, purchase things, but everything is always out of stock once I try to put it in my cart. Okay, so, but this item was released in the final week of spring summer 2018, and they are getting ready for fall winter 2018. Here, let me go ahead and open this with you guys. So it looks like they did include, you can already see what it is. So they did include a bag Okay, you guys already saw it, but let me show you guys what's in this bag first. So they did include a bag, which definitely does not fit that box, but it's nice of them to include it anyways. And they gave me a box logo bumper sticker. I forget what these are called now. I'm so out of it. Sorry, I'm so old. But okay, so you guys already saw what was in here. Oh, it's upside down. Let me flip it around. Oh my gosh. I got a oh my gosh. Okay, so I got a frickin' kayak, you guys. Could you believe that? Okay, let me take this out of the shipping box. Oh, I'll just let the box fall down. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this thing is really heavy because it's a frickin' inflatable kayak. Could you believe that? And I guess the oar is in there as well, you guys can see. So this is a single person kayak, and I am not going to open it and use it because, well, for one, I can't really swim that well, and two, I am sure if I do try to go in it and use it, I'll definitely capsize it. And so here is what is inside the box. You can see that these are the oar. This is the oar, and I think this is a bag that you can carry it in, and of course it comes with a kayak. But why did I buy a kayak, you guys might say? Well, so Supreme is you know, it's a very hyped item, and resale on these things can sometimes be really crazy, and it is very profitable. And so that is the only reason why I purchased I'll just leave this here. Many of these Supreme items, because yeah, I just find it very fascinating and very you know, just a competition, basically trying to get these items, you know, trying to get on the website early enough to basically score anything. My first week I was able to get, I think, 12 items, which is ridiculous, I think, but that was my first and my battery is like blinking. It's gonna die any second here, but I'm just gonna keep on going until it dies. So my first week I was able to score 12 items, like I said, and this was one of them. I was able to score, you know, other bags and keychain, I believe. And then in the next weeks I was not able to get anything just because I was not lucky enough to be able to put an item in my cart. But as I went along, I learned more about how to basically get these items. So a lot of people use bots, and it's really hard to try to compete with those because it's not a human, it's a computer. But sometimes I was able to get some stuff. I think in the middle of the season I was able to get a couple shirts, and then of course I was able to get this kayak. And now this kayak, so these items, sometimes they're a flop, and this kayak is one of those items that people were saying is a flop because the resale value of this item is not as much as other items, so to say. So this damn kayak cost $500, and that's the reason why it was a flop, because a normal kayak that's not branded Supreme I think retails for about $200. And so yeah, this item did not sell out, was not one of the first ones to sell out. It sold out after 45 seconds or so, so anybody who really wanted one could have purchased one. The items that did sell out within the first 10 seconds or so were the life jackets, and I did not go for that one because I did not, you know, think that that would be as popular as this one. But yeah, we'll see how the resale of this item goes. If you're interested, let me know. But yeah, I just thought you know, buying stuff on the Supreme website was, you know, thrilling, and it was very it was cool. I really liked it, and hopefully I'll be able to sell some of this stuff. But anyways, that's all I really wanted to do for this video. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go to bed now. It is past midnight and it is past my bedtime, and I have work in the morning. Okay, so yeah, I hope you liked it, and until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.